What's up, y'all? It's Terry Tyler here.
Coming to you with another podcast.
It's late at night. We got the neighbors out. And I'm here to talk to you about courtesy. Like, is it acceptable to work at night? Some people work during the day. You know, they got day shift jobs, and some people work during the night. You know, they got night shift jobs, so they work different hours. But traditionally, you know, things shut down at night, and people think you're a fucking freak if you're out there, you know, at night. So I want to share some insights with you. Maybe you feel this way, or you have these problems. There's been times I'll sleep even in my own house, you know, if I'm outside or not. And I'll be like, I'll wake up at night, like Jocko Willink says, you still got some fight in you, you know. If you're having insomnia, if you're not going to sleep, that means you still got some energy, right? Energy to work. But the mind is going to come up with some bullshit fucking excuse. Man, I shouldn't be up at this hour. You know? What would they think? I'm not saying you think that way. You may not think that way, man, but there are small things in the mind that may chart you off the course. And if you happen to be in a sticky situation, sometimes if you're out there, word can get out in the community and people will say, man, that guy's a fucking freak. You know, it can fuck your career up. You know, it can fuck your life up. So, you know, those fears and those worries that subdue you from working at certain hours, you know, the Roman calendar, the whatever, the 24-hour system, you know, whatever it may be. Back in the dope dealing days, we used to call it the witching hour. You know, when it's late at night, the cops are on the prowl. There's only two people out on the roads. Crooks and cops. You know. You don't want to be out on the road after a certain time. You know. Stores are closed. What are you doing out? And I know this is something small and minor and bullshit, but I felt I'd talk to you tonight as part of my street lecture series and say that be bold. If you have your property and you have your land, be respectful. You know, don't turn up the music. But if you're working on a project like the T-Rex down there in Denver, Colorado, I mean, they're paving roads at night. Factories are working at night. Do your work at night. And watch your back, you know. So, I don't know if that stimulated any thought for you people, but the topic of this exercise again is it acceptable to work at night? Mow the lawn at night. People are going to think you're kind of creepy. And, you know, I can dig that. But if you spend $160,000 on a plot of land and you live in America, a free country, if you want to mow the grass at 3 in the morning, don't be fucking scared. Do it. people may hate, but test your balls. Have a good evening.